Hi, my name is Satyanarayan and I'm from IQ Ideas and IQ Digital, or I'm in charge of the entrance test preparations. So today, many of the students from IQ have appeared for the IP MAT, the IPM Integrated Program Management's entrance examination conducted by IIM Indore. And this is the initial reviews that we have got about this examination so far. So the examination IPMAT 2021 was pretty much along the similar format of 2020 with 10 short answers, 20 MCQs mathematics and 30 from English. In the English section, other than one passage with 5 questions of reading comprehension, students also said that there were 3 to 4 questions of error spotting. There were a few questions, I think about 3 from jumbled passages, 8 to 9 questions of paragraph completion, fill in the blanks, incorrect words, and so on and so forth. The English section was easy for most of the students. So based on this initial feedback, we have a feeling that the cutoff for this section might be pretty high, but that has been a trend across the IPM exam for so many years. So students who have focused on language skills, on their reading, vocabulary and grammar skills will definitely be in a good position to crack this particular section. The maths section. Now this was apparently a mixed bag with a majority of the students rating it between mediocre and tough. The usual question topics of number systems, functions, sets, progressions, ratio proportion, average, time and work, time, speed and distance, pipes and cisterns, log, geometry, coordinate geometry apparently have made their appearance in this paper as well. There was one set of data interpretation which was based on filling in the table. There were 5 or 6 teams or competitors, and there was some scores given, and based on the information you had to answer the question. So I guess this was a table based question where you had to create a grid or a table, and if you had done puzzles of analytical reasoning, then I guess students could have attempted, but many did find this to be tough. So the overall feedback is that this would have been rated on a level of 7.5 on a scale of 0 to 10, with 10 being the toughest. And anybody with consistent practice of maths and English with a little bit of reasoning would definitely have done well in this paper. Now, based on the initial feedback that we have got, like I've already said, English cutoffs are expected to be high as usual, while the mathematics cutoff may not be very low, right? Because although many students did find it tough, there were others who said it was just mediocre, and with smart guesses you could have answered them. So I'm still waiting for more reactions to come, but my feeling says that the cutoff for mathematics might not be extremely low, but it will be somewhere in the a little bit of mediocre range. So having said that, I hope students are preparing for the next step, right? Till then, we can only hope and wait for the results. So wish you all the best from me, Satyanarayan, at IQ Ideas, IQ Digital. And I hope all those aspirants who have been preparing so well for such a long time do get the college of their choice and have a bright and brilliant career. So wish you all the best and have a good day.